Happy New Year, and I want to wish every one of you guys a very happy new year with special blessings and prosperity and health for the new year. And for the first video for 2025, I thought I would share with you my latest stitch fix. So I did get another back-to-back. So when I checked out, they waived the styling fee again, and it was a 5 for $5 box. So I thought, let's go ahead and get another one. When they waived that styling fee out, I'm like, what do I have to lose? So let's get into this Stitch Fix box. So if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a clothing subscription service. You can schedule them whenever you would like. And you also pay a $20 styling fee, but that does go toward anything that you purchase from the box. So I do also have a link down below in the description box. If you want to get started with Stitch Fix and order your first box, you can use that link and it will give you $25 off your first box. So in the box, you do get a package to ship anything back that you don't want, and then also a note from your stylist, and it is Jasmine, so I still have her, that also has a pricing sheet of everything that's included. And it looks like I have 6 items this time instead of just the 5. And then here's a big old bundle, because this box is kind of big. So here it is, and something is falling out of it. Some pretty colors. So I'll just go ahead and start with what was falling out. This is a top from Fortune and Ivy, the Cindy button detail blouse in blue, size medium. So it has some little studs here on the shoulder. Looks like it's a mixed material, polyester in the front, cotton in the back. They do seem to send me a lot of these tops. Next up, looks like a sweater. So it's a cardigan. The Seda V-neck cardigan in olive, size medium. I am not familiar with this brand. It feels soft, and olive is a really good color. And then next up is going to be this cardigan from Letty and Me. Looks like it has some open stitch detail on the back. It's black. The pointelle detail cardigan. So I do like that brand. I have a few things from there. And then it looks like this is from Market and Spruce. It is really nice feeling sweater. We'll see how it feels when it's on. It's got some kangaroo pockets in the front and a hoodie. The Regina hooded sweater in dark gray. Got that heathered look. And then something that is burgundy. Ooh, it's from Liverpool. The Princess Darts boyfriend blazer in burgundy. Love some Liverpool, and this is a beautiful color. And then one pair of bottoms, feels like corduroy from STS Blue. The Sabrina High Rise Slouchy Corduroy wide leg pant in black, size 8. So nice wide leg. We'll see what the length of this one is. It doesn't say, it does say it's a high rise, but it doesn't have like the inseam on here. So we'll try these out as well. So let's get started with the try on. Okay, so here's outfit number 1. This is that Market and Spruce top. It does have these kangaroo pockets, and then it has the hoodie. It's a thinner style hoodie. It doesn't have the draw cords in the front, which I like, and it makes it like a little V-neck here. So it is more of a longer style, and it feels really soft. And then these are the corduroy pants. They are a little snug in the waist, but I have gotten a few things from this brand before, and I do feel like it kind of stretches throughout the day, so I think it'll be okay throughout the day, but they're a really great length. You can see I don't have any shoes on. They hit right at the floor, so I could wear these with a slight heel if I wanted to, or I could also wear these with flats, so I like them. And they're really soft corduroy, so really nice. And it's wide leg. I absolutely love it. I actually think these look really good together, so I could like do a front take on this one a little bit and have a little casual look, or I could really pair some of these other pieces with this as well. And so like I had said, they sent 6 items. So when they did the style preview, they said that I could pick up to 8 items, but she tends to send the same shirt in different colors. So it's really hard for me to be able to pick up to 8 items on there. So I did pick 6 items that I liked. So all of these I did pick from the preview that I liked, but it's been so long since the preview that I actually forgot what I had picked. So that's why I guess I got 6 instead of 5. It says the buy all discount, the 25% off. It doesn't say like buy 5. So I'm not sure if I have to buy all 6 of them to get the 25% off or not. This is the first time I've ever gotten any above 5. So the bottoms are the STS Blue corduroy pants. They are $69. The top is from Market and Spruce, and it's $49. I'm gonna leave these pants on and just try everything else on. So here is the, I think Fortune and Ivy top. It's like the polyester in the front, the stretchy knit in the back. It does have elastic at the bottom, and then you've got this V-neck with these little studs here on the shoulders. And there's the length if you leave it untucked, but if I did just like a little front tuck, this is what it would look like. So there's a lot of room in this one, plus it has that knit material that's stretchy in the back. So this one is from Fortune and Ivy, and this one's $49 as well. So I just put a black tank on so I could just show you the last three things because they're kind of layering pieces. So this is the Letty and Me cardigan, and it's got this really cute lace detail and this scallop at the bottom, and then in the back it has that open stitch detail. This is one of the thinner style cardigans. I like that it hits right at the hip. So I think this one's really nice. It's kind of monochromatic look with the black on black on black. So this is from Letty and Me, and this cardigan is $49. I love Liverpool. It's one of my favorite brands, and I love this blazer. I think it's really nice. It's just an open front. The sleeves are good. I do have them rolled up a little bit. I don't have to worry about it buttoning because it's just an open front, but it fits really nicely in the shoulders, and I love this color, and I think that this really dresses up these corduroy bottoms as well. So this is from Liverpool. I knew it'd be a little bit costly. It is the most expensive thing in the box, and it is $109. And then the last thing is this cardigan. So I do have that tank under it. Probably not one that I would wear buttoned by itself. It's in this olive color. It's got some really pretty stitching detail. So it's not super soft, but it's not uncomfortable or itchy. And it's got this pretty scallop detail at the bottom. So that's really cute. It is $49. So I like this as well. So the total for everything in this box is $374. The 25% discount if you buy everything is $93.50. So the total would be $280.50, and that is for a pair of corduroy pants, a really nice Liverpool blazer, and then a hoodie that's super soft, and then this cardigan, and then a lighter weight cardigan as well. So guys, tell me what you think. I actually like everything from this box. The corduroy pants are really super soft. I like the feel of them, and I kind of like everything, but I don't know. I have never had anything above 5. So if you still just want 5 things from the box, do you get the discount, or do you have to get all 6 items? So if you have ever done that, let me know. It doesn't tell on here whether or not you have to get everything or just 5, so I'm not really sure. Like I said, first time I've ever gotten more than 5. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.